Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I would like to know how New Year's is treating y'all. Comment below, I want to know. I'm nosy as hell. But anyways, guys, so we do have some more spoilers for the February Ipsy bags. Now, this one is for the Ipsy February standard bag, and I don't know if I'm going to put Plus and Ultimate in this same video or put them separate. If they are separate, they will be linked down below. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And also your subscribe button, and make sure your bell's on, that way you don't miss none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was some spoilers for the March Boxy Lux box. Congratulations, Alicia Martinez. Alicia says, yes, I'm excited all your videos. Well, thank you so much, honey. I really appreciate you having your bell on, and thank you so much for the support. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and dive into this madness. Again, this one is for the Ipsy February standard bag. So first of all, we take a look at the bag. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the rose. It's just so beautiful for Valentine's Day, for February. I absolutely love it. So first I'm going to show you what we already know of, and then I'm going to show you the newly revealed spoilers. So the first thing is the Ofra bronzer in the shade Americano. And then we got another Ofra bronzer in the shade Versatile Matte. Next up is the Tatcha The Water Cream, and then we have Tatcha The Dewy Skin Cream. Then next up is the Tarte Cosmetics Sea Quench Hydrating Primer. Next up we have the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Foundation. Now there's going to be 5 different shades available. Next up is the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Primer. Now it is time to show y'all the new spoilers that have just been revealed. So the first thing is the Ivy Beauty Headliner Eyeshadow. Next up is The Balm Pedal to the Metal Shift into Overdrive in the shade Turbo. Next up, and I don't know how to say this, y'all. What is it? K-Voss New York City? K-Voss NYC, something like that. Fairy Dust Pressed Highlighter in the shade Moonlight. And guys, as soon as they reveal anything else, you know I'm going to keep you updated. You know I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Now I'm going to try not to butcher this. Congratulations, Mona, is it Zowski? I hope I said that right. If I didn't, I apologize. Anyways, Mona says, more spoilers, please. Honey, I'm with you on that. Thank you so much for coming and watching my video. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. Trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.